welcome back to another video of Char's World. Today we will be seeing if the DeWalt dry and wet vac will, which one of its attachments, this, and this, will be able to suck up this Sanders dust. Okay, so we will start the test off with starting with this. Then we'll move to this, which don't mind the cobwebs, and do this. Okay, first I'll pour this out. Very dusty. Oh my. Very dusty. And then I'll spread it out with my shoe. If you want it to get kind of soaked in with some more stuff, I'll stand up, and this is way more than I expected it would be. And some vacuum shots will be a little extra. Okay, that's going to be enough. Shoes are dusty. Okay, so it might be a little loud. We're going to start with this. I'm just going to do like 3 sweeps and see what will happen. Start ready in 3, 2, 1. Okay, pretty good. You can see there's some more dust there. Now this. I'm gonna guess that this is gonna suck really bad. And also from this you can see that there's still a lot of dust on the ground. So we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. It did nothing. There's still a ton of dust. Now, we'll get this off. Also, if everything goes bad, I'll use this attachment, which I think is gonna suck up everything. So, we'll add this. We'll just try to hover over this. Maybe we'll try to clean up this spot. Okay, we'll start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it sucked it up pretty well. Now, we will see how much dust is in here, and we'll compare that to that attachment. So we're gonna take off the lid, get this cord out of the way, lift the lid off. Okay, there's a lot of trash in there. I forgot that we use this for other stuff. Now, we'll put this attachment on, and we're gonna try to suck up everything. Starting in 3, 2, 1. That doesn't supposed to happen. Put that out. Is it going to be dustier? Or just the same? Because there's just so much stuff in here. Jeez, that is dusty. Yeah, that's that's probably not good for you to breathe in, but you know me. I don't care about that. Okay, so let's put this back. And in my opinion, I think that the best attachment was, of course, this attachment. Besides the fact that it tried to dislodge itself multiple times. And that the main one and this are also really good. But if you're trying to clean up dust, never ever in your life use this. This will just make it worse. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and goodbye.